Hey, it's Jeremy from RetroShop, and on the bench today we have a 4th gen projector headlight, in this case an OEM. And what we're going to do is we're going to talk about replacing the bulb with an HID bulb. So right now we've got on the bench a 9012 bulb and the wiring that comes with it. So we're going to show just a quick overview of how we install these and the recommended way that we recommend customers to install them. So on the back you're going to see the dust cap. It's held on with 5 bolts that use an 8mm socket to pull those off. Alright, and once this is pulled off, you are going to see you've got your low beam bulb here. High beam is back in this little corner. We're going to focus on the low beam, but the same process would take for the high beam as well. So you're going to twist this out and just simply remove the halogen bulb, which is, well, no longer needed. I'd still keep it just for grins. Then we're going to remove the bulb from its packaging here. And keep in mind, the same process will, it'll be the same for, bulbs that have, either external wiring to it or, attached wiring. So just in case, bulbs change from time to time, so you may have one like this here that you simply line up and plug in. Other times they'll already have that on there. So line up your tabs, twist the bulb in. There we go. From here you're going to notice that you have a connection here, and it has a black and, in this case, orange. It may be a different color depending on application. You're going to line up your black to black and then just plug that in. Now, a lot of times guys will use this grommet here and they will drill a hole in the dust cap and use that grommet to seal it up. I'm not really a big fan of that in this case. We've got a rubber grommet here that surrounds this entire lip. So what I found has worked best is to simply, pull these wires a little bit tighter, and then just simply set the wires themselves flat, like this, and then just put the dust cap right back over it. Okay? Now, it's not going to pinch the wires to a point where you're going to have an issue here. It will, create a slight spot here where it will seal up around that grommet. But no need to drill holes, no need to worry about water intrusion because, well, you're not drilling holes in here. Let's go ahead and bolt everything back on here with the 5 bolts. And at this point, as you can see here, everything is coming out of the bottom. It's kind of hard to tell, but the rubber grommet that comes around this entire dust cap is now sealing that off. And it's going to be nice and watertight. So at that point, you have your bulb wires here. You have your little extension here that goes to either CAN bus adapter or your wiring, depending on the year for your HIDs. We'll go over that in a different video, but that's how you install the bulbs. So if you have any questions about this or anything that we do here at RetroShop, feel free to give us a call, 314-669-4437. We're here Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 Central Standard Time. Or shoot us an email, jeremy@retroshop.us. Thank you very much.